Hi, I am Eissa, the Managing Director at the Bridge Advertising Agency. It is a great pleasure for me to welcome you on our online lecture today. And I'm thrilled to talk to you about who we are and what we do. At the Bridge Advertising Agency, we provide entrepreneurs and business owners all the tools and services they need to start up and grow their businesses, including but not limited to domain registration, websites, hosting, security, marketing, messenger chatbots, and many other services. All our lectures are free of charge. So if you are watching us on YouTube, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our new lectures. So today I'm going to teach you how to connect your website to your Google Analytics account so you can track where your website visitors come from. So we go to my account. Now we scroll down to the Bridge Marketplace, then click sign in. I have already an account that we have built our website before. I will click sign in, go to my products, here's our website, the website that we have built before, Relax Spa. This is our dashboard. Facebook page, how to manage your online appointments, how to rank on Google. Here's the appointments that we have set, the blog we have created in the marketing. Here is the settings of our website. In addition to the SEO, now we click edit website, edit site. Then we go to settings and we choose Google Analytics. Now I will go to googleanalytics.com. I will leave you the description below, and I will sign in or register for Google Analytics for this website. I will name my website here, name my business. I will write Relax Spa. Then I will choose what exactly Google Analytics I will choose for website or for application or for apps and web. So I will choose a website. Now I will name my business and I will copy my URL. I will write here my business name, Relax Spa, and I will paste my URL here. I will choose my industry. Then I will agree for the Google Marketing Platform agreements. Now I will determine which country, let's say UK. Accept. Okay. Now I have signed in to my Google Analytics account, and here is my tracking ID, which I will copy and paste in my Google Analytics in my website. I can get it from here, tracking, and get from tracking code. I will get tracking ID. I will copy this tracking ID and go to settings, Google Analytics, and I will paste my tracking ID here. So let's go copy this tracking ID and paste it here. Publish. Now we are done. As you can see, here is our Google Analytics dashboard, which you can know, collect information about your customers, when do they visit your website, where do they come from, what devices they use, what are their behavior on your website. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial today.